Hey guys, welcome back to the channel to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing demon brackets on my 3rd gen 2016 Tacoma. Now I actually went through and I spray painted these a bright cherry red just because I didn't really like the paint job that was on them before. And then the kit I got also comes with 4 silencers. We'll install those after. And let's jump straight in the video. So alright guys, now this is an optional thing that I'm going to do. Now you don't have to, but because my demon brackets are probably going to be on my truck for a while, and honestly the paint job on these guys is not the best and it's already got some chips in some spots, what I'm going to do is actually paint these before I put them on the truck. Now what I've done is just suspended them using fishing line. Just tie a very simple loop and then just knot it up top. And you really don't have to worry about the small line that fishing line is going to make. And I've got basically the 2 hooks over there, and then I've got the 2 demon brackets right here. And I'm just using some cheap 20-pound test that I just had in my tackle box. I now use mainly monofilament, so I really don't need this anymore. So it works perfect for this, and honestly, most of the stuff I usually hang and paint is not much heavier. Now I am going to open up the doors. Right here, the 2 cans of paint. Also this time I'm gonna be a little bit smarter. Gloves are optional. However, I don't have to worry about getting paint in my hands, and I can go in and cook dinner after this without any worries. All right, so I'll probably start with the red hooks first. Okay, now if you have the factory tow hook like me, what I'm going to do is actually go through and grind this piece down right here so that basically the bracket doesn't interfere, which is going to mount right here. So I got to take this off, then I got to cut that, and then it's basically just 2 bolts, one here and one over there on the other side. And as soon as you do those, you basically just pop the bracket back in. Super easy. Shouldn't take more than maybe 20 minutes. The longest part's probably going to be cutting that, but I'll deal with it. I'll say these look like either 19s or 17s. Let's see. 17. Guess I'll try 15, but I doubt. Yeah. Right. So, looks like these guys are all 17 sockets. Man, you can feel the heat coming off this thing now. There we go. Take our bracket and our bolt. Yeah, that was pretty damn easy. Right now, just gotta install the hooks on both sides and good to go. Okay. So I find the easiest way to put these on, basically have both silencers like this. Now just slide your tow hook on, take your pin, come on. And voila, we're done. And I guess we'll just do a quick little, oh man, this is toasty. after looking at this. It's not going to fit anymore, but you definitely don't want to leave these 2 bolts not in there. Actually, I guess you don't need these. They don't provide any structural support. All right, guys, here we go.